Okay, this is my first time using this thing by myself. When I had a party with my Vietnamese friends, they handled all of this, but we're gonna see if I can figure this out. One thing, I've got the instructions here. It doesn't say anything about rinsing the rice, which I never knew that was a thing, but they made it clear. That I do remember, because I'm like, here, what do you do? Just dump this in? And they're like, no, you have to rinse it. That doesn't make sense. Measure rice accurately. Okay. Make sure you use the cup that came. Oh, there's two of them. Which one? So there's that. Now I'm gonna rinse this, I guess. All right, we got water. My rice. I have no idea how old this rice is. Okay. Is that good? I have a feeling that I'm gonna find out online what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Dump this water in. Okay, I've got wet rice. Measure the rice. Pour the rice into the thing. Okay. Okay. Measure the water. Where the numbers refer to the enclosed for short or medium, you can just use water line. Okay. Oh man. This is getting way too complicated. I think this is just white rice. So that's the line. Okay. Place the inner cooking pan. Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to put that in there yet. Well, it's in there. Put the rice and water in the rice cooker. Okay? Oh, rinse free. Well, I don't know which one to do. Oh, there's too many. White rice. I don't think I can go wrong with that. Is it doing anything? Well, we'll find out. Okay, it just started making noise, steaming. So I think that's telling me something. No, it's just gonna spout off steam, I guess. Yeah, that's hot. It's a clever little vent that they have there. You can't even tell that that's a vent. I guess I'll just let that go. Keep adding my video. This thing still isn't done. I guess a rice cooker isn't for speed, which is what I thought it was for. Okay, I think I understand how this thing works now. So it should be finishing up at any moment now. Oh. I guess that could be O or it could be 0 hours, but I don't know. Okay. Let's find out what this looks like. All right, here we go. Whoa. That looks like rice to me. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. First impression. This does look like it's cooked perfectly. I suppose it would make more sense to leave it where it's warm, right? Oh. Never mind. I'm just dumb. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Now, I'll get my Swedish meatballs out. Okay, here we go. Well, I now know that the rice cooker does not instantly make rice in the way that I thought it did. And the only reason that I thought it did is because I knew nothing about it. I guess it just is a convenient way to make rice, and it turns out well. These are Swedish meatballs that I made before my last trip to Vietnam. And they've been frozen. Cool. Okay. Well, if you ever wanted to see how one of these things works, that's how.